Oh my god. She's doing it for $3 and a sub. She is. Wow.
Yeah.
It's like a
Siri's gonna. Yeah.
But go ahead.
Go ahead.
Are you gonna swing back with it?
She's gonna get a face full of twigs.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Careful.
I don't know. Just swing on it, Gina. Come on.
I'm gonna be so pissed.
You'll probably end up in the water.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, depending how strong that is. I wonder if I can like yank it.
Ready?
It didn't work.
For $3 and a sub. Nice. Nice. That was totally worth it. What?